Hi guys, sorry I look like crap. I'm probably sitting in front of the light. Okay, okay, I'm here in my room, and I want to show you guys something that is so funny. This is my dog, Texas. Texas. That's Texas, and I want to show you guys something silly. Okay, Texas, where's your silky? Silkies? Silkies? Is that your silkies? Silkies! Get your silkies! Silkies! Where's your silkies? Yeah, is your silkies? It's because my blankets are silk. Silkies? Silkies! Where's your silkies, Tex? Hey, hey, where's your silkies? Is that your silkies? Yes, yes, yes. Silkies! Silkies! Aw, itchy, itchy, itchy. But yes, this is my dog. He's a Cocker Spaniel. His name is Tex. He's about 4 in human years. He's just the sweetest puppy ever. Puppers! Say bye, Tex. Say bye, Texas.